So we've done the 8500.1 and the 2000.1. Let's bust out this 5K and see what it can do. So what we have here is the 5000.1D. Rated 5,000 watts at 1 ohm. Dual 0 gauge inputs. Positive and negative. Sky high 2-watt cable on some adapters going in here. So as you can see, this knob is turned all the way up. So as I turn it down, look at that, there goes the overlap. Done, 0. So this is not boosting, it's attenuating. You set your gains right, and then you attenuate. Look, all the way up, 10 dB. All the way down, I mean look, even halfway in the middle, 7. All the way down, 0. Gains are set. Those seem like some pretty solid numbers to me. Let's crank up the voltage just a little bit because I know a lot of people like to run at like 15.5, 15.6, 15.8. So let's try 15.8, see what happens. We'll do a certified run first. Another 1,000 watts. $68, $64. All right, we're all reset. We're gonna do it one more time from a different angle. We start that. $9,038, 9,000 watts, dynamic. So this is definitely not a 9,000 watt amp. It's a 5,000 watt amp. Having that 9,000 watts dynamic means that during regular music that isn't sine waves, you're gonna have a lot of extra headroom. You're gonna have a lot of room to play with over there. So this thing is definitely kicking hard.